Hello, 안녕하세요. My Korean learners. Stay bright, speak right. I'm Teacher Han. Welcome back to Learning Korean. This week, you're finally going to introduce yourself. Let's learn three essential phrases for day 12. This is a cultural tip. Korean social life revolves around cafe culture. It's the heart of all conversations. Ready for number 34? Let's check it out. First, let's say it together. 커피 한 잔 할래요? This means, would you like to have a cup of coffee in English? I read it once slowly and then twice naturally. Try to follow along with me. 커피 한 잔 할래요? Your turn. More time louder. 커피 한 잔 할래요? 커피 한 잔 할래요? Great job. The most casual and common way to suggest a meetup. 커피 한 잔 할래요? Let's start with number 35. First, let's read it together. 오늘 시간 있어요? It means, are you free today in English? I read one slowly and then twice at a natural speed, so please listen carefully and repeat after me. 오늘 시간 있어요? Your turn. More time louder. 오늘 시간 있어요? 오늘 시간 있어요? Great job. Use this when you want to hang out with a friend. 오늘 시간 있어요? Let's start with number 36. First, let's read it together. 제가 맛집 알아요. It means, I know a good restaurant in English. I read it once slowly and then twice at a natural speed. So please listen carefully and repeat after me. 제가 맛집 알아요. Your turn. Two more time louder. 제가 맛집 알아요. 제가 맛집 알아요. Great job. Say this and everyone will follow you. 제가 맛집 알아요. Don't just listen. Speak is Hwang. 여러분 나라에서는 친구들과 어떻게 약속을 잡나요? 댓글에 알려주세요. 오늘도 고생하셨어요.